Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. Justin and I are back out on the Rocky Mountain Range again with another good video for you guys. Follow me. That was good, Justin. I like that. We got Lego heads. This is the video I wanted to do first, but my neighbor wouldn't let me, his kid wouldn't let me shoot his Lego heads that he built. So I'm like, fine, I'll buy my own. So I bought an Iron Man, a Carnage, and a Scout. These were really cool builds. They're much easier than those tanks. If you didn't see our last Lego video, here's what you're missing. Okay, so that video was so much fun. It didn't get a lot of views. I don't know if you guys thought, nah, it's not gonna be that good. But it was a really good video. Justin and I had so much fun. We were like, okay, yeah, we're doing the Lego head ones. And here they are. So some of you guys wanted us to glue these together. But I promised these to my neighbor's kids. So he doesn't have these three and he wants them. So I told him, all right, you can have those. So what we did is just put them together, and Legos are much easier than those Chinese tanks that I put together because the bags are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and you just build it. It's really simple. So here we put rocks in the heads to, because these things, when you build them, they're actually hollow. So if you check this out here, here's like 4 quick pictures of how it was built. And they take about a couple hours each for this old man. And we're going to do the same rounds we did last time. These are 223 Sparkle Fart rounds. Again, these are some of mine and Justin's favorite 223 rounds. These make the most beautiful spark. So we got these 3 shots for you guys. We're going to start with the Scout first and just see how it goes. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this video. Let's take a closer look. Here we go.
It's good to be back on the range, especially shooting Legos. It's absolutely my favorite now. Mention in the comments what other Lego things you want us to destroy, or send them to us. Either way, we will destroy it. We will be happy to. All right, so we got a Sparkle Farts round versus a Star Wars Scout Trooper. Is that what it is? Is that how it goes? That's how it be. All right. Let's cause some destruction right in the face. Yes! Face. Yes! Oh, the pieces are still coming down. Oh, the pieces are still coming down. That's awesome. Clear. Oh, that was amazing.
Where'd he go? Wow. First off, my apologies. Instead of hitting the stop button on the high-speed camera, I hit the power button and shut it off.
You
so
have one job.
One job, Chris. Hey, can you bring me my bag of crap so I can keep it with me at all times, Zek? Oh my gosh. Anyways, that was so cool. Dead hit. Like I said, we put these rocks in it. We definitely wanted it to go off, and boy, did it. So yeah, it did quite the job. So you can see kind of how these builds are. They have random colors and everything. Help it go together easy. Well, that round did go off. We got something there. Got a good burn mark on this piece here. And gosh, some of them blew back towards the car. I mean, it's not that far away. But yeah, that destroyed that dude completely. But my neighbor's kid, Nehemiah, he'll put this back together in like 30 minutes. Because I do have the instruction manuals for these. But yeah, that was cool. That was cool. Well, heck, let's get on to the next one. It's Iron Man's turn to go. Bye-bye. See ya. Don't like him anyways.
All right, so now we got Iron Man up versus the scaled down howitzer. Let's see if he can deflect this one. Let's catch him right underneath his left eye. There we go. Oh man. Oh man. He got dusted. He gone. He didn't stop that one at all. Let's check it out.
We could have saved Hollywood a ton of money and they could have just done an Iron Man short. Iron Man, 155 howitzer. He's over. Alternate endings right here on Going Ballistic, your research and destruction channel. That was great. I hit the right button on the camera this time, so that was good. That was funny, damn it. Gone, completely gone. This one, it was cool. On the high-speed camera, we can go frame by frame, and right now we're doing, on this one, we're only doing about 5,800 frames per second. Someday we'll get a phantom camera, we'll see. But when we did it frame by frame, the eyes sat there for a while as the head just kept expanding. The eyes stay there, and then one starts to tilt, and then they leave the universe in a glorious way. So there you go, Iron Man gone, one hit. It's all you needed. 55 howitzer. He ain't that tough. But now we're on to the one that was the hardest build, is Carnage. But that thing was so cool. We'll see how many pieces this thing comes in, because that was a neat build, but let's see how well he does against the 223 Sparkle Fart round. Let's do it.
All right, now it's time to make some carnage with Carnage. That wasn't cheesy at all. All right, right betwixt the eyebrows. Man, I had a lot of hang time. The base of his neck is still there. Sweet. Let's go check it out. Clear.
Cool. That was some cool high speed on that one. I think Justin hit square in the forehead, and that's right where he was aiming. Anyways, that one definitely made some cool carnage. I think the rocks were a good addition because they're nothing but a bunch of rock heads anyways. This was pretty cool. Good explosion. Great sparkle farts on that round. The other two did not make as good of sparks and flash as I thought they would. Well, we'll never know on the first one because some idiot freaking hit the wrong button, but we won't go there. Well, anyways, folks, this thing went everywhere. It's taken us, well, we hired Zach for, well, nothing, to come out here and help us, because we knew from the tanks, it took us like 30 minutes each tank to try and find as many pieces as we can. What I will do on these, before I give them to Nehemiah and his brothers, is I will try to rebuild these so we can see exactly where they hit. Because these are something the old man Chris here can handle, because there's way less than 1,000 pieces, and it's a really good color-coded instruction manual, and I can follow pictures like nobody's business. So this is what we got for you. I hope you guys liked this video. This was cool. Like Justin said in the beginning, comment down below and let us know what else you guys want us to try. So we have had some requests for some die cast vehicles and stuff, and we'll try to see what, like metal ones. Justin had found some pretty decent Humvees and stuff like that that were actually metal, and we'll see how those things can hold up against these mini howitzer rounds. But don't forget, guys, we still have some t-shirts for sale. Just let us know your size. We're out of some sizes. If you go to eBay store, there's a link down in the description below. There is a note to buyer, and just tell me what size you want, because we just had so much trouble with them. We are trying to create our own store because we do have more merch for sale. But you still get the laser engraved 50 cal brass if you buy a t-shirt. So we still have plenty of those left. But we thank you guys so much for your continued support to this channel. I mean, this was like $200 for these things, and we can't do it without you. So we really appreciate your support. Thank you to our patrons. Those guys have been hanging with us through thick and thin, and we just really appreciate y'all. And we'll be back.